Hi everyone, it's Master Miner, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix lag and get higher FPS on Roblox, especially on mobile. As you can see, my game right now is lagging pretty hard and the FPS is around 25 to 26, so let's fix that. First step, go to your phone settings, scroll down to apps and search for Roblox. Open it, then go to battery usage and make sure allow background activity is turned on. Next, go back and scroll down to search and update. Then open developer options. Look for graphic driver performance. Find Roblox and select the recommended option for a better performance. After that, scroll down and change the performance related sliders to X5. This boosts how your device handles the game. Now open Roblox, go into settings and lower the graphic quality. And that's it, the game should now feel much smoother. And my FPS has jumped from around 25 to between 60 and 65. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video and sub for more tips.